In a high-profile and a successful intelligence operation, lead intelligence agency successfully apprehended a high-value target, Gulzar Imam Shamby. He has been a hardcore militant as well as founder and leader of the banned outfit, Baloch National Army, which came into being after amalgamation of Baloch Republican Army and United Baloch Army. BNA had been responsible for dozens of violent attacks in Pakistan, including attacks on law enforcement agencies, installations in Panjgud and Noshki. Gulzar Imam also remained as deputy to Braham Dagh Buktin Baloch Republican Army till 2018. Gulzar Imam was also instrumental in formation of Baloch Raji Ajoi Sangar and remained its operational head. His visits to Afghanistan and India are also on record. His linkages with hostile intelligence agencies are being investigated. Hostile intelligence agencies also tried to exploit him to work against the state of Pakistan and its national interests. He was apprehended after an innovatively conceived, carefully planned, and meticulously executed operation spanned over months over various geographical locations. The arrest of Gulzar Imam Shambe is a serious blow to BNA as well as other militant groups which have been attempting to destabilize the hard-earned peace in Balochistan. Apprehension of a militant leader of this stature demonstrates the capability and resolve of law enforcement agencies to uproot the menace of terrorism, as well as speaks volumes about the success garnered through supreme sacrifices of unsung heroes.